Good evening, sir. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. A warm welcome to our Honorable Chief Minister of Maharashtra, Shri Uddhav Thackeray Sahab, and our Honorable Minister of Industries, Subhas Desai Sahab, Honorable Minister of State for Industries, Srimati Aditi Tatkare Ma'am, and our Honorable Chief Secretary, Shri Sanjay Kumar Sahab, and Honorable Principal Advisor to Honorable Chief Minister, Shri Ajay Mehta Sahab, and ACS to Honorable Chief Minister, Ashish Singh Sahab, and Principal Secretary to CM Sahab and other Principal Secretaries, people from industry community and business community, both in person and who have joined virtually. A special thanks to CAA and very specially to Prasanna Sarabale, who made this MOU specifically in data center sector. It is a great honor to host you today for this unique event. Sir, it's a matter of great pride that state of Maharashtra continues to be the undisputed leader in terms of industrial activity and also the investment. Because of the robust policy framework and also the progressive infrastructure reforms initiated by the state's political and administrative leadership, which has helped the state in achieving this unprecedented growth. सर आपल्याला सांगायला आनंद वाटते या लॉकडाऊन मध्ये आपल्या उपस्थितीमध्ये जून महिन्यात आपण एमओयू केले 14 कंपन्यांची आणि 17,000 करोडची. त्याची स्थिती ऑलमोस्ट लँडच्या रिलेटेड असू द्या किंवा बाकी त्यांना अलॉटमेंटच्या असू द्या ऑलमोस्ट 100% आपला पाईपलाईनवर आहे. आपण सर्व मॅच्युअर इन्व्हेस्टमेंट फक्त आपण सर एमओयूला आणतो आपल्या सूचनाप्रमाणे. And today again, this Magnetic Maharashtra 2.2 second phase, आपण सर इथे 15 कंपन्यांची एमओयू करणार आहे आपल्या उपस्थितीमध्ये. त्यातला 2 companies are joining virtually. One is Mitsubishi Electric from Japan and another one is Matra Data Center from Spain. सर खऱ्या अर्थाने एक टार्गेटेड सेक्टर मध्ये आपण एमआयडीसी आणि इंडस्ट्री डिपार्टमेंट म्हणजे इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स, फार्मास्युटिकल्स आणि मेडिकल डिव्हाइसेस फूड प्रोसेसिंग मध्ये करत आता येणार महिन्यात आपल्याला अजून ह्यूज क्वांटम ऑफ इन्व्हेस्टमेंट आपल्याला बघायला मिळेल.
माननीय मुख्यमंत्री महोदय श्री उद्धव बाळासाहेब ठाकरे, आमच्या उद्योगाच्या राज्यमंत्री आदिती तटकरे, सर्व मान्यवर आणि ऑफकोर्स industry friends joining this virtual conference virtually across many countries like UK, Spain, Japan and Singapore. My greetings to you all. Maharashtra has been consistently the business leader and leader in industrialization. Our industry-friendly policies have rolled out many opportunities in the state, and we are fortunate to get response even during the pandemic conditions. Industries joined us. 2 months back, we signed many MOUs with industries from the globe and of course from Indian industries. Now again, this occasion we are signing under the leadership of Honorable Chief Minister. Industries as many as 25 in number, across many sectors. Sectors like data centers, logistics, manufacturing, and so on. These MOUs totaling more than 35,000 crores rupees will create job opportunities not less than 35,000 direct and more than 1 lakh job opportunities in indirect forms. Our integrated logistic policy is the first to happen in India. And we are getting tremendous response to this policy. And many logistics parks are being created in different districts of the state. This is actually a sunrise business in India, and Maharashtra has been the leader. We are consistently improving the environment of ease of doing business and have undertaken various reforms, transformative approaches. We have consistently upgraded our infrastructure in the clusters and our specialized policies, and of course, very vibrant markets have been developed across the state. We'll not stop here. This is the second event within these 2 months, and many more such functions would be organized very soon. And Maharashtra will prove that this is the preferred destination for industrial investment in the country. With these words, I assure the investors full support, complete handholding, and we look forward to realizing each and every MOU here in the shortest possible time. Keeping this in view, we have assigned one special relationship manager with every investor, so that they don't need to go from office to office getting permissions and licenses. Everything would be made available through these relationship managers. With this reform, I think Maharashtra would be totally industry-friendly state. I take this opportunity to thank our Honorable Chief Minister, under whose guidance the state is marching ahead. And in shortest time, we will be reaching to meet with our goals. He has been always cooperative in solving our problems, providing guidance, and showing us new directions. I thank him and thank all the investors and company leaders for this event. Thank you very much. Jai Maharashtra.
Actual MOU signing ceremony. The format will be like this. The government of Maharashtra will introduce the company in few words, maybe 30 seconds. Then the company representative who is present virtually at some occasions, and otherwise rest of them all are here, will be again introducing the company in few words. But actual signing up ceremony by the company representative, CEO, director, whosoever present, and also by the government of Maharashtra representative, then there is an exchange. So this flow will follow for all the 15 companies, and is part of the ESR Group Singapore, Asia Pacific's largest industrial and logistics real estate platform. So they are here to invest close to almost 4,500 crore with the employment of 1,500. I think I would request Mr. Abhijit Malkani to join us and chat few words.
As a start, I'd like to thank the Honorable Chief Minister. I'd like to thank the Honorable Industry Minister, all the dignitaries here. We have been we started our business in India approximately 3.5 years ago, And in the state itself, we have eight locations already existing. And I think I'm being very upfront. This would not have been possible without all your help and all your support on this. We will continue to invest. We are very strong in helping automotive companies. We're very strong in helping the e-commerce companies across here. So the state is not only for sites, but the state even for me as home, as well as our headquarters also. So I appreciate your help and thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Abhijit. Now I think we will be signing and also exchanging the MOUs. Thank you, Mr. Abhijit. Thank you, PS sir. So here, with an investment of 5,000 crore and employment of 1,000 crore, I would request Mr. Vinod Kumar Jaur to join in and offer his brief remarks and also join the MOU. Thank you, Mr. Vinod.
Good evening all. Honorable Chief Minister sir, Honorable Minister of Industries sir, Honorable Minister of State for Industries ma'am, the MIDC representation, Government of India delegates, Government of Maharashtra delegates, CIIT, Adani Group and Adani Data Center Business is extremely proud and pleased to have executed this MOU. We greatly appreciate the progressive and proactive approach adopted by this government and to facilitate new business establishment in the state. We are very grateful to them, sir. Maharashtra and especially Mumbai is one of the preferred locations for our data centers. And we are very confident that active collaboration by both the parties will be mutually beneficial. Adani Data Center plans to establish large-scale, state-of-the-art, new generation data centers. The uniqueness of this data center, which we would like to declare now, is that we will be trying to use close to 100% of renewable energy. So to make it the objective of to make Maharashtra as well as the companies more sustainable in this approach. So we thank all of the Maharashtra government, the MIDC, the CIIT for making this happen. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Mr. Vinod. I think now we will sign MOU and also exchange it. Thank you, Mr. Vinod. Thank you, PS sir. Sir, the next we will be signing our MOU with Malpani Warehousing and Industrial Park, a homegrown diversified business house originating from Sangamner, Amaner, Maharashtra. The group is one of the leading brands in FMCG in India and also holds a renewable portfolio of 650 plus megawatt in wind and solar energy pan India. They are here to invest in some logistics with an investment of around 950 crore and employment of close to 8,000 people. Now I would request Mr. Ashish Malpani to join us for his brief remarks and also to sign the MOU. Thank you.
Thank you. Good evening. Honorable Chief Minister Shri Uddhavji Thackeray Sahab, Honorable Minister of Industries Shri Subhash Desai Sahab, Honorable Minister of State Mr. Aditi Tadkare Ji, respected officers, Maharashtra Government. Malpani Group is a family business based in Maharashtra and run professionally by our directors and the team. The group has been in existence for more than 50 years and continuing to grow year on year. We are proposing to develop a world-class industrial facility on approximately 150 acres, land facilitating a state-of-the-art modern industrial and multimodal logistic warehousing facilities and other real estate assets crucial to the supply chain. We expect to generate nearly 8,000 direct and indirect employment. The group is already developing a 70-acre industrial park in Sakal. Marpane Group is a diversified group with interest in various business verticals ranging from FMCG product, renewable energy to amusement park, theme park, water park. The group is one of the leading players in India in renewable energy. We have a portfolio of solar wind energy of over 650 megawatt across 8 states. Marpane Group has a significant presence in Maharashtra and southern states with regards to the FMCG market and distribution. In 2005, Marpane Group started its first water park in Shirdi. We have also developed India's largest water park and amusement park in Lonavala and also India's first spiritual theme park in Shirdi, which is based on the life of Sai Baba. We believe strongly in giving back to the society and helping as much as we can. The group, through its trust, has started 2 schools and a charitable hospital. In Sangamner, the group conducts Samuhik Vivah Sammelan every year. Till date, 600 couples have been married. Thank you for giving us the opportunity to be the part of Maharashtra's success story. Jai Hind, Jai Maharashtra.
Thank you, Mr. Assis.
जाहीर सभेतलं भाषण जरा वेगळं असतं. हे असं चौकटबद्ध आणि बुटातलं भाषण ऐकण्याचा अनुभव आहे, पण करण्याचा कधी अनुभव नाहीये. पहिलाच अनुभव आहे आणि मुहूर्त चांगला आहे. माय कलीग इन द कॅबिनेट, मिनिस्टर ऑफ इंडस्ट्री श्री सुभाष देसाईजी, मिनिस्टर ऑफ स्टेट आदिती, सर्वच आहेत. मग चीफ सेक्रेटरी आहेत, अजय मेहताजी आहेत, प्रिन्सिपल सेक्रेटरी आहेत वेणुगोपालजी अनबल, आणि विशेष म्हणजे ज्यांच्यासोबत आपण सामंजस्य करार केला त्यांचे सर्व प्रतिनिधी. Ladies and gentlemen, in June 2020, as we signed MOUs with various industry leaders, the amount of investment was almost 17,000 crore. I had said back then that at the peak of a pandemic, Maharashtra receiving such investment was a matter of hope for all of us. And I say it again, it is not just an investment of capital, but an investment of faith. शेवटी विश्वास पाहिजे, आणि त्या विश्वासाचं फळ आज आपल्याला सर्वांना अनुभवायला मिळते. Faith is an important word. It has importance only when it is upheld both ways. दोन्हीकडनं पाहिजे, एक मार्गी काहीच उपयोगाचं नसतं. In our case, the investors and the state, we have fulfilled most requirements of the earlier MOUs in less than 6 months. बरोबर ना? मी बोलतोय चूक असेल तर करेक्ट करा. 60% of the companies have got land allotted and the rest are in the process of final allocation. मला खरंच उद्योग खात्याचा अभिमान आहे. Work will begin on their sites in the next few months. Maharashtra affords faith, justice, stability. Today we see a result of that faith and the hard work of my colleagues in the industry department that the investment is almost 35,000 crores. खरंच कौतुक आहे तुमचं. We are all dealing with a crisis that the world has probably never seen before. World leaders face tough choices between life and economy, safety and unemployment. हे का सांगतोय, कारण किती कठीण परिस्थितीमध्ये महाराष्ट्र काय काय करतोय, महाराष्ट्र सरकार काय करते हे लोकांना कळलं पाहिजे. Today, as we sign MOUs with 15 top companies of the world, I can humbly say that Maharashtra will emerge stronger out of this crisis. नक्कीच ज्या पद्धतीने आपलं काम चाललंय ते बघितल्यानंतर आपण नुसतं बाहेर नाही पडणार, तर अधिक मजबूतीने जगाच्या समोर जातो. Despite having shown all our COVID numbers extremely transparently, कुठेही आपण लपछपी केलेली नाही. Industry leaders choose to come to Maharashtra. It only means one thing: the fabric of Maharashtra is trusted globally. Today's event signifies unity in diversity in its true form for the state. Diversity because we have companies ranging from data centers पेट्रोकेमिकल्स टू लॉजिस्टिक्स. हे एक फार महत्वाचं आहे. आणि मी बसलो असताना विकासजीने मला एक सूचना केली, डेटा सेंटर्स, त्याला डेटा म्हणायचं की डाटा म्हणायचं, मराठीत म्हणतात डाटा म्हणतो, म्हणजे देणारा. आणि येत्या काही वर्षामध्ये हा जो एक धागा आहे, मला खात्री आहे की महाराष्ट्र या विभागात जगाचा दाता बनेल. एक डेटा सेंटर मुख्य केंद्रबिंदू महाराष्ट्र बनेल. युनिटी बिकॉज दे हॅव वन चॉईस इन कॉमन, Maharashtra. In the past few months, we have worked on multiple aspects of the industry. While we have made ease of doing business a reality with applying for licenses easier and time bound, we are working further to make it so easy that it should be a different joy to set up an industry in Maharashtra. Going further, it is not just licenses, compliances that make it an experience. We have developed our ecosystem to support industries, be it connectivity or education hubs, to facilitate this growth. Yet we won't stop at it. तर पुढे जायचं आपल्याला. आपण जे जे नवीन एक जगाची दरवाजे उघडतायत, कोविड नंतर नवीन जग आपल्याला अनुभवायला मिळतं आहे. आणि मला अनुभव जो येतोय तो बघितल्यानंतर महाराष्ट्र आपल्या सर्वांच्या साथीने आणि सहकार्याने प्रत्येक येणाऱ्या संकटावरती मात करून देशातच नव्हे तर जगामध्ये नेतृत्व केल्याशिवाय राहणार नाही, हा मला विश्वास आहे. आय इन्व्हाइट द इंडस्ट्री लीडर्स टू हेल्प अस फर्दर टू मेक इट इवन बेटर अँड अप टू डेट. दिस इज अ लॉंग टर्म रिलेशनशिप गोइंग बियॉन्ड टुडेज सिग्नेचर. दिस इज समथिंग वी आर डुईंग टू रिवाइव्ह होप. हे महत्वाचं आहे in the human race to win against COVID and tell the world that there is a better future we can build. My commitment to all of you industry leaders is the same like it is to every citizen across Maharashtra. Your growth and drive towards excellence will be supported by me personally and all my colleagues in the government. As we welcome you to Maharashtra, let me thank you for the faith shown in Maharashtra. We are here for you. To all my colleagues, well done. खरंच चांगलं करताय तुम्ही, पहिल्यांदा पण बोललेलं आहे, पण चांगलं करताय म्हणून कौतुक करतोय. बट द जॉब हॅज ओनली बिगन. आता सुरुवात झाली, आता पुढे सुरुवात आहे, अजून खूप काही करायचंय. आणि इफ आय मे से सो, माय विश फॉर महाराष्ट्र इन इट्स 60 years ऑफ स्टेटहुड, 60 वर्ष महाराष्ट्राला पूर्ण होत आहेत, झाली, is that this year we must have over काय अनबलगंजी सांगा, over 1 lakh crore of investment, and I have full faith that our industry department will live up to it. Once again, thank you to all. Jai Hind, Jai Maharashtra.
थँक्यू सर, थँक्यू सो मच. कारण आम्हाला खूप ऊर्जा मिळेल आणि आम्ही पुढे मोठं काम करू आणि आपलं स्वप्न करा आम्ही साकार करू. थँक्यू सर फॉर ऑल युअर एनकरेजिंग अँड एनर्जायझिंग वर्ड्स. नाव आय वुड रिक्वेस्ट अवर ऑनरेबल मिनिस्टर ऑफ स्टेट अतिथी मॅम टू ऑफर वोट ऑफ थँक्स.
व्यासपीठावर उपस्थित राज्याचे मुख्यमंत्री सन्मान्य उद्धवजी ठाकरे साहेब, सन्मान्य मंत्री सुभाष देसाई साहेब, कार्यक्रमाच्या निमित्ताने या ठिकाणी उपस्थित असणारे सन्मान्य मुख्य सचिव संजय कुमार सर, माननीय मेहता सर, I take this opportunity to specially thank Honorable Chief Minister Uddhavji Thackeray Sahib, as well as the business community and the media present here, along with the industrial department, all the colleagues, and all the members of industrial department who have taken extra efforts to make this event successful. The key MOUs that have been signed today in the presence of Honorable Chief Minister and the Minister for Industries are testament to the fact that the Maharashtra's investment skills remain unparalleled. The companies that have chosen to invest in the state will be met with detailed action plans to support their path of growth And we hope to see many more such events that assemble leaders of such aptitude, vision, and strong interest in Maharashtra. The state, with its strong partnership with global and domestic business houses, will continue to sustain its successful track record, and we remain confident that Magnetic Maharashtra 2.0 strategy will reap benefits for the years to come. आजचा हा करार एका बाजूला 35,000 कोटींची आर्थिक उलाढाल किंवा आपल्या इथे उपलब्धता करून देत असताना जवळपास 23,000 रोजगारांची सुद्धा निर्मिती करून देणार आहे. आणि येत्या कालावधीमध्ये महाराष्ट्राचा औद्योगिक दर्जा अधिक उंचावण्यासाठी आणि त्याचबरोबर रोजगार निर्मितीसाठी महाविकास आघाडीचं सरकार हे अग्रेसर राहील अशी सदिच्छा आजच्या कार्यक्रमाच्या निमित्ताने व्यक्त करते. I once again thank all the business leaders who have invested in the state that is made for business and truly magnetic in 2020 and beyond. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Maharashtra.
थँक यू. माननीय मुख्यमंत्री महोदयच्या परवानगीने या सभा या जो प्रोग्राम संपल्याचं मी जाहीर करतो आणि सर्व मित्रांना मी विनंती करतो IT आपण ठेवलेले प्लीज जॉईन फॉर IT. थँक यू.